Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share my experience of using O-Cedar easy ring rinse clean spin mop and bucket system. I have been using this mop from past 1 year. I like it a lot and I love to clean the floor by using this one. The first reason I chose this O-Cedar mop is after each time of mopping the floor, we can rinse the mop head in the clean water. So we do not need to use the dirty mop head to clean the floors. Using the O-Cedar spin mop and bucket system, we can always continuously mop the floor with the clean water. This new O-Cedar mop system has two buckets, one for the fresh water and one for the dirty water to be collected at the bottom. Having two bucket system, we can see the dirty water collected in another bucket after each time of mopping. It is so satisfying to see the clean floors after mopping. We need to fill it with fresh water. When the red belt is lifted, the fresh water will be coming into the blue tank and we can rinse the microfiber mop and we can mop the floor. Because of the triangular shape of the mop head, it reaches the corner easily and it cleans very well. If you want a super clean floors, you can also fill the tank with the hot water along with some dish detergent or the floor cleaner. O-Cedar mop head is machine washable, so we can put it in the washing machine to get it cleaned. Alternatively, we can also clean it with the hot water, detergent and the bleach. You can always purchase these refill mop heads through Amazon or any other store. Hope you like all my details. Thank you for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye.